Hey there, Taylor Newton here, and thanks for checking out this video. Today we're going to show you how to make a simple DIY string light pole using 3/4 inch conduit. And this is a super easy method that anybody can do. What's great about it is it doesn't require any digging of holes, no pouring things in cement, nothing like that. Instead, what we're going to be doing is using some conduit hangers and just attaching these to some pre-existing fence posts and using that for our support. So let's get started. First things first, quickly look at our materials. So again, we've got our 3/4 inch metal conduit that we'll be using, 10-foot section of that. We'll have the 3/4 inch conduit hangers. You'll need 3 for each post that you're going to be putting up. We'll also have a 1/4 inch carabiner that we'll be using. And then if you need to attach any of the string lights to trees or anything as well, these eye bolts are really handy for that. We've got some 2.5 or 3 inch exterior screws that we'll be using to attach the hangers to the post. And then if you want to paint your light poles, go ahead and pick up some Rust-Oleum. This stuff's super great for metal applications like this. And then as far as tools, nothing too crazy, just our drill and driver, straight level, and Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we need to make something to go at the top of our conduit light pole that we'll be able to attach our string lights to. So the easiest way I figured out to do that was just take one of these extra hangers, and then we're gonna take the 1/4 inch carabiner, and you're just gonna thread it through like that. Goes right through like that. Easy peasy. So then what we're going to do from here, take the end of your conduit that's going to be the top of the pole. So this is what I'm gonna use for the top. We're just gonna slide that on, take our Phillips head screwdriver, and we'll tighten this down. And then once that's on there good and snug, we're ready to go. That's gonna be what our string lights will clip into. Now at this point, if you want to add a little extra style to your string light poles, go ahead and paint them. Make sure to use a paint designed for metal surfaces and apply it evenly to the poles. Allow the paint to dry completely before hanging your string lights. Once the paint is dry, attach the conduit hangers to the wooden fence posts using screws. Make sure the hangers are level and spaced apart to accommodate the width of the metal conduit poles. Slide the poles into the conduit hangers and adjust them until they are level and straight. Once the poles are securely in place, it's time to hang your string lights. Simply run wire cables from your starting point to the poles and attach it to the carabiner at the top of the conduit. Once the cable is run, attach your string lights using zip ties. And there you have it, your own DIY string light poles without any digging or having to set anything in cement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.